Okay, let's go ahead and try playing a few songs with just that C chord. We're going to put that third finger on that third fret. Let's go ahead and make sure we've got a nice tone before we start playing. All right. Okay, let's do row, row, row your boat. And we're just going to play one down strum per measure. Just playing on that C chord. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. It's a song you played on a ukulele. Not very exciting, but it's a good place to start. So let's do row, row, row your boat a few times and then play with a few more things we can play with just that C chord. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. That was strumming with my index finger. On the next one, we're going to do Brother John, and we're going to try using the thumb instead, just for a little bit different tone. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding,